ladies and gentlemen, or should I say lady, because I think there's only one lady subscriber in my channel, according to demographics. This is a knife detector, and I'm glad you guys are joining me again today. I want to say thank you to all of my current subscribers. I want to thank you very much for subscribing, liking, and sharing my videos. Have another knife for you today, as you might have guessed. For my previous videos, I told you that on my trip to Bussey's Flea Market in San Antonio, I picked up 3 knives. This is knife number 2 from that group of knives I picked up. And check it out. I'm going to give you guys some time to identify it. First of all, this looks familiar. Check it out. Check out that that polishing. Check out that, I believe that's rosewood. Check out the way they put the handle in there and they just kind of grind it off those edges to kind of make it look diamond-like right there. I think that's pretty cool. Check out the brass. When I got this, all the brass was brown. Paid $10 for this knife, guys. $10 for this knife. I'm going to tell you why. So, what do you think? Have you had a chance to guess? If you guess Camillus, you are correctamundo, as one of my childhood idols would say. Now check it out. It's a Camillus New York, but the Camillus has been X'd out. Usually what that means is that it's a second hand, or not a second hand, but what's the proper term? Usually it means that there was some type of fabrication error when they made this knife. It's like a defect, like it had some kind of a factory defect, and so they set it like as a factory second or something like that. So this Camillus right here, it's a beautiful knife. It's about the size of a buck 112, but lighter. I really like those brass pins right there. I found what the defect is. Check this out. Push the button, and when you close it, very light snap, very light snap. So this knife is probably what? Let's see, 20, 30, between 30 and 40 years old. And snaps open good. However, as you could hear by that previous snap close, it's a weak snap close. So probably because it has a weak spring, it did not meet the cut. Pun intended. So what I want to let you guys know is that I'm still very happy with this knife. I don't care that it has a weak spring. For the amount of work I'm going to put it through and the amount of money I paid, I think it was a fair price. So check this bad boy out. This is going to be a short video only because I have some other things I have to do tonight, but I wanted to share this with you, and I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. And if you're just tuning into my channel, in my channel I do videos mostly on vintage knives or rare knives or knives that you don't see every day. Sometimes I make videos on modern knives, but usually it's because I see a unique aspect to it. And when I do, I make a video on it. So sometimes I sell knives also. I may have a knife sale coming up soon, a $5 knife sale, or maybe a $10 knife sale, depending on the knives. So check it out, guys. Once again, I hope you guys are having a fantastic week. The weekend is almost here. I can taste it. Hang in there, my friends. The good times are yet to come. So until then, this is Knife Detector signing off, saying God bless you. Have a wonderful evening. Enjoy the time with your family. And see you next time. Stay sharp.